To dismantle a master's house, you got to use the master's tools. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. You seen the movie The 13th Amendment? You read the book The New Face of Old Jim Crow? Well, I documented this since 1986. N62528. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. All about the war on drugs. The war on drugs is a war on the black community. And I just made a movie about it. That's the real news, all right? The real news fell out with me because I be holding y'all accountable. I gave y'all this information back in 2014. That's Michelle Alexander from the New Face of Old Jim Crow, all right? I was making a movie and Michelle Alexander's in the movie. Michelle Alexander is in the movie, you feel me? This is my intellectual property. This is my intellectual property. So when y'all talk about that black girl magic, causes a lot of black men pain. The new face of old Jim Crow. All right? That's just part of it. Like I said, I was making a documentary. About the riots in Baltimore. All right, the documentary is all about Baltimore. So this right here, it's 1 gig. We're gonna got the Department of Justice on it. They got the new face of old Jim Crow, and I got more of them. All right, like I said, I'm running classes. All right, I'm running classes. Loyola University. That's right there. We are the Baltimore Block, a grassroots collective of friends, family, and victims of Baltimore police violence and corruption. All right. I was making a movie about it. And I'm honoring my father and my mother. I got pictures. It's a time to pee. I use the toilet to do what I do. Like I said, Michelle Alexander wrote The New Face of Old Jim Crow. Within the penitentiaries, blacks have created an extension of the ghetto. All right. I'm making a movie called Whoop Your Ass. Jill P. Carter in it. It's all about that toilet. And it's about that toilet. Like Michelle Alexander said, the new face of old Jim Crow. 15% drug users, 56% incarceration. It's Dred Scott. You feel me? It's the Dred Scott decision. And like I said, ain't no law against making a movie. That's Richard McFeely, the FBI. All right? And this shows you right here. All right? Lisa Madigan. Dutch Rufusberger, Senator Hardin, Durbin, Illinois Attorney General. That's the case number. False imprisonment for filming a documentary about racism in the Lake County courts and judicial system. Denial of due process and equal protection. Barbara Mikulski had that since 2009. That's Judge Cox. Like I said, I'm making a movie. That's a movie release. That's Governor Hogan. Governor Hogan been knowing about this since 2014. In 2014, Governor Hogan had me removed from the ballot. He had me removed from the ballot. That's voter suppression by Governor Hogan. You go to the state prosecutor's office. Y'all charge me. Y'all criminally charge me. It's in Anne Arundel County courts. Brian Baith and Dwayne Davis was taken off the ballot because in 2014, we wanted to end the corruption in Annapolis. I named the judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that get paid to lock up black Maryland. And Governor Hogan is trying to reinvent that. Governor Hogan. So that's the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's me in 2008. Inmate property reform. Release all material to the voters. You using through Nicaragua as a template, as a mouthpiece. The new face of old Jim Crow. That's all he is. Can't nobody deny nothing that I'm saying. I'm on the ballot in 2022. You feel me? I'm on the ballot in 2022. And I told you I was making a movie about y'all. And that's the Supreme Court. 2007. All right? And this is the Shorty program. I gave you the Shorty program. I gave you visual and performing arts. I gave you political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, law, sports, and culture. And I've given you the law right here. Whoever having knowledge of actual commission of a felony cognizable by a court of law in the United States conceals and does not as soon as possible make known to the same judge. Yeah, well, y'all got to make it known, because I've been doing this since 2008. That's a postal violations, and that's my postal number. I was making a movie. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. The movie was about Ben Cardin's, John Cardin's. It was about the Democratic Party. I'm the best of the best in Baltimore in 1999, the best of Baltimore in 2016, and the best of Baltimore in 2011. I'm about my cooking. If Governor Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor Hogan. All right, if Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor Hogan. Respectfully submitted. I was insured for $1 million. This is Exhibit 3, FBI Baltimore. All right, Special Agent Jason. No, this is FBI Chicago. That's Special Agent Jason. That's the case in '86. Like I said, I'm an activist. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis, 1986. We talking about fiduciary enrichment. All right, you using your courts to unjustly enrich yourself. And like I said, that's August 2013. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. This is a follow-up letter. I'm a whistleblower. I am Dred Scott, 2022. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Governor Hogan got mail. Governor Hogan is the new face of old Jim Crow. I'm a free black man. Remember that. And this is what free black men do.